Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making Farah Khan's special recipe roasted chicken, Kashmiri chili 5 to 6, make chili flakes, whole chicken 1200 grams, olive oil 5 tablespoon, apply well. Now add Kashmiri chili flakes, salt as per taste, mustard sauce 3 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Apply masala well. Marinate for whole night or 2 hours. Now in a saucepan, transfer the chicken. Add little water. Now add 1/4 cup water. Cook on low heat on 30 minutes. Now flip the side. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.